This is a microphone belt that I got, and it is actually adjustable. Right over here, there's a clip right over here that I can adjust it, and it clamps really, really well. It's made out of really sturdy, sweat absorbent material, very, very free. And it has a pouch right over here that you open up like that, and I can put my microphone in there, or even a receiver. I can clip it in there. I can also use this when I work out. So with this, I can put items, any items in there, and it straps really well. So it is great for any size, any person, and it's adjustable. Love it. Love how I can put it any direction, any place on my body, and even put it at the back if I want to run. So this is absolutely great. I love it, and I love how stretchy it is. I can even put it on my chest like that. Absolutely love this.